You're listening to Ideo Software's Digitalization Network, a podcast created for those who are IT passionate and want to know all about the latest technology trends and innovative solutions. Join us on this fascinating journey through the world of digital transformation. A good e-learning platform isn't only about functionalities, but also how it's implemented. They are intricate systems that comprise multiple components. Each of them should be meticulously planned and executed, as the choices made during the implementation phase will have a significant impact on the user's experience. While it's true that no e-learning platform can be perfect, it's essential to understand the key features and steps involved before implementing one. When it comes to e-learning platforms, it's essential to determine the target audience and the goals to be achieved. For instance, a platform designed for students will serve different purposes than one tailored for a sales team in a company. Moreover, the expectations placed on the e-learning platform help define its character and type. For instance, if the platform is designed for periodic testing and used occasionally, it may not require advanced features, while a platform for daily distance learning would require more advanced solutions. Some points to consider are the type of knowledge or skills needed to be transferred to participants, the business objectives to be achieved through the platform, and the effects expected. The answers to these questions will be the basis for selecting a platform that is either less advanced or tailored to the needs of enterprises with hundreds of users. When it comes to training, how the course materials are presented plays a crucial role in the learning process, for example, their creation. Therefore, during the implementation phase, it's important to consider the possibility of adapting the tools and content formats to suit the individual needs of the learners. The most effective and convenient form of learning is video. However, it's also important to support others, such as DocX, PDF, PP, or audio. Selecting the best format to suit your organization's needs becomes initial when learning or getting acquainted with new content. Significantly, the platform provides easy content management, such as creating, editing, and publishing content. The editor should be intuitive enough that even inexperienced users can easily decide on questions like what should the course look like, what form should it take, and what content should be included, and who should have access to it, and at what level. Additionally, it should be easy to personalize content to the individual needs of participants, especially in environments where many types of courses are implemented because they change dynamically and the number of users using the e-learning platform is high. An intuitive dashboard is critical to the success of the entire training experience. The learning management system should also provide tools for organizing content logically and restricting access to selected topics to specific individuals or departments. Regarding this, some points to consider are who will be responsible for content creation and update, which tools and their forms best suit the organization, and the type of course. What are the procedures for adding, editing, and deleting courses? The answers to these questions will help you select flexible online training management software that changes with your organization's needs, or a pre-built solution that comes with built-in tools and features. Online courses rely on the modules of e-learning platforms. This is the most essential aspect. So before you decide to implement a learning management system, make sure you understand what the service provider offers. Using the functionalities of the Ideo e-learning platform as an example, the most important ones are: e-learning courses allows administrators to create and edit training courses and knowledge tests. A convenient panel allows for easy content entry in the lessons section, determining the form, editing, and adding the necessary materials. It's possible to specify the requirement to pass the lesson, for example, reading the entire content. The Topics or Links feature allows for grouping course elements and external resource links. The Tests module is crucial for e-learning. The administrator determines the creation of tests, passing thresholds, and determining the number and order of questions within tests. The Coordinator Profile module allows for assigning permissions to instructors or group supervisors who manage specific aspects of the training courses. It also has a report feature that generates a detailed summary of each course: status, start and end dates, approach attempts, or final result, and course components, such as participant and personal data, status and completion, and more in XLSX format. This module consists of a report allowing you to generate a detailed user summary. The summary contains status, start and end dates, approach attempts, final result, and course components, such as participant data, personal data, status, and completion in XLSX format. It also provides a preview of the course with information like access status, number of passed and failed courses, and permissions. In the Certificates module, the administrator can choose which elements the certificate will include, such as color, logo, and layout. As a result, the generation of the certificate only requires the imposition of individual data by the system, such as personal information, final grade, and course title. Once a user completes the course, the certificate is automatically generated, which is a significant improvement and time saver, especially when dealing with a large number of participants. The link directory feature allows you to store important documents, links, and files of different types, including videos. The internal search engine has filters to help you find content by category faster. All functionalities of the Ideo platform are reusable and can be used in any part of the platform. The structure of the system is fully configurable. The Users module provides a panel for managing user accounts. You can add and remove users, assign permissions, change or force a password change, block accounts, and view login history. Users can also access and fully edit their data in the My Account tab. Course Paths is the space to create, manage, and group course paths. The administrator can assign any number of courses, set course access dates, and assign users or entire teams. SMS notifications are read by 99% of users. SMS API to Application Programming Interface allows admins to send information to users not only via the e-learning platform or email, but also via SMS. It provides personalized content and high reception efficiency. Ultimately, it shortens the distance between the organization and the course participants. In the Notifications module, the administrator can send information to the users about essential course-related aspects, such as assigning a new course, reminding them about the upcoming course completion date, and passing information. This ensures a clear information structure and constant contact between the trainees and the platform administration. The system operates via the web browser, enabling fast and direct communication with users. As users have continuous access to the system, it facilitates real-time exchanges of questions, answers, and discussions. The chat feature helps users better understand the learning material and promptly resolve any questions. The platform offers a centralized knowledge base where course participants can find answers to common questions without having to ask the platform administrators. This saves time for both parties. The knowledge base is equipped with a WeAreSIWG editor that helps ensure that the text is formatted correctly as the answers are being written. Effective implementation of a new system is crucial, particularly in large companies, as it helps expand the knowledge and skills of employees. To ensure a smooth transition, it's important to define the work calendar and maintain the structure of daily tasks for everyone involved. The responsibility of addressing these issues falls on the e-learning platform provider. The implementation process of the new system should be minimally invasive yet efficient. Therefore, it's the customer's responsibility to inform the crew about introducing the new tool. An exemplary implementation company should have well-defined scenarios that will streamline the whole process and ensure high-quality cooperation. One of the best ways to achieve this is to provide training that can be tailored to different groups of recipients. The admin training consists of learning how to manage and configure the platform, create courses, and manage students. The instructor training is about learning how to make learning content, monitor student progress, and provide support. The user training consists of learning how to use the platform, register for courses, and actively participate in courses. Some key questions worth asking yourself are: what are the deadlines for the main phases of the project? When will the project be announced in the company's structures? Who will supervise the platform, and how will they be trained on the new tool? Providing employees with a comprehensive tool is only half the battle. Ensuring that they're proficient in using it is equally important. Therefore, proper training is crucial for the success of the implementation. Security is a crucial concern when it comes to e-learning management systems. It involves safeguarding sensitive user data like personal information, logins, passwords, and internal data of institutions. Safety is of utmost importance, and it's worth exploring what distance learning systems offer. First, the law. E-learning platforms must adhere to strict practices and regulations to secure student data. To ensure data security, the storage and processing of participant information are subject to stringent data security standards, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, which is mandatory in the European Union. One of the fundamental protection measures in online education is data encryption. The most secure platforms use advanced encryption technologies, such as SSL, TLS, that protect data during transmission between the server and users. The data obtained is unreadable without the appropriate key, making it an effective security method. Multi-factor authentication and access control are additional tools used by educational platforms. They require both a password and a verification code, ensuring that it's impossible to log in even if someone gains access to a password. Advanced platforms also allow administrators to set access levels, specifying who can access different platform levels. Another critical aspect is securing educational content. Technologies like digital rights management, or DRM, enable you to control access to and download course materials, preventing unauthorized copies or distribution. Watermarking course materials is also a common practice. Some points to consider regarding this sensitive topic are the type of security mechanism the service provider offers, the possibility to customize the security to your needs, and if it's necessary to pay additionally for data protection for users and your company. In conclusion, there are various key issues to consider when planning to implement an e-learning platform. It's crucial to invest time in comprehending the needs, selecting appropriate tools and strategies, and ensuring data security to enhance the success of the e-learning project. It's also important to remember that this project is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and improvement as technology advances and participants' needs evolve. Thank you for listening to Digitalization Network. If you want to continue this digital journey, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with your network. Remember, every subscription helps us create valuable content. See you in the next episode.